So if you were born in 2000, that means you're not a minor like you were just telling me. You understand that, right? What's that? Okay. $22.14. Can you run $27.29? It's going to be a black male adult out of Florida. Last of Stevens, Sam, Tom, Edward, Paul, Henry, Edward, Nora, Sam. First of Tyrell, Tom Young, Robert, Edward Lincoln. Date of birth 10/24/2000. Hey, stop fucking reaching. You understand me? Don't fucking reach. Roll your window down. You need to stop reaching. You understand?
Sorry.
Sir?
So we can have dialogue, so you guys can understand what we're doing. And
Understand that I can control your movements right now. You understand that? So here's what we're going to do. Put your hands on the back of the seat rest. Driver, unlock the car.
You're not getting me out the car. I mean,
Go ahead.
you're not getting me out the car.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing, man?
Hey,
Hey,
shoot me then, bitch.
shoot me. Get out of the car. You two, out of the car.
Shoot me then.
2214. Clear the air. Sorry, unit code 3. He's got a knife. He's stabbing himself.
No.
He's stabbing himself. Get away. Get away. Get out of the car.
Don't do it. No. Get back here, dude. No. Get back here. Don't do it.
Get back here. Sir, get back here. Hey, get.
Stop.
2214 took the suit. Northbound Vision. Just turned eastbound Highland. Black male adult. Tan jacket. Blue jeans. Armed with a knife. Sir!
This is Allison. What's the address or location of your emergency?
Yes, this is the corner of Division and Gallagher at my brother's house. This black kid just came up. He's been stabbed in the throat. Doesn't want me to call the cops. I'm kind of hiding around the corner.
Where are you at?
I am across from my brother's at South Division Avenue. And this
Where
guy
is he
came out
at?
of nowhere. This guy came walking down the road up to us.
Stop right there. Boise Police, stop right there. Do not move. Get on the ground. All right, I'm challenging him. He's coming at me with the knife. Stop right there. Do not move. Do not move. Shots fired. Suspect is down. Knife is still in his hand. Don't move. I understand that. We love you too. Okay? Put the knife down. Put the knife down. 2054, right next to Division. He's got the knife in his hand. Let go of the knife, sir.
Let go of the knife. Okay, stand by. We can get the knife to him once
Hey, I'm gonna kick that knife away.
Okay,
Knife
yep.
is in his right hand. See, you come up.
Gotcha. Yep. Yep.
Sir, do not reach for that knife. Do not reach for that knife, sir.
Good. Stop right there. Boise Police, stop right there. Do not move. Get on the ground. All right, I'm challenging him. He's coming at me with the knife. Stop right there. Do not move.